Depressive symptoms can include emotional eating, which can lead to obesity. I'm Erin White, and this is a dailyRx Minute. Some people with depression aren't interested in food, but there are others who eat too much. Emotional eating from depression can trigger serious weight gain, resulting in obesity. In a new study, obesity was found in 57% of patients with atypical depression. Oversleeping and overeating can be symptoms of atypical depression. Ask your doctor for tips on how to avoid overeating. For dailyRx TV, I'm Erin White.